Hello everyone. So this is our K-12 kit and today we will be working on the project Laser and LDR Security Alarm. So let's see how it's done. First, we will connect the power to the positive of the LDR, then its negative to the ground, then its output to the positive of the LED, and then negative of the LED to the ground. Before making the connections fully, I will turn the light or the laser on the LDR. Now let's make the connections. Okay. So, as soon as this beam of laser breaks, the light is supposed to glow. Let's see. So, if someone crosses this beam, the light will start glowing. Now let's test it on a buzzer. I will connect the red wire to the positive, black on the negative. Now let's see. So, this is how it works and this project is done.